Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello all signs. So, tingnan natin, okay, ang kanilang emosyon, okay, next week pagdating sa'yo. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and yeah, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page. Yes, that's Fias Taro. Oo. And, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, message lang po tayo sa atin pong FB page for more info. Okay? Fias Tarot. Diba? Okay. So, yeah, let's start. All signs. Aries through Pisces. Okay. So, first, si Aries. Emosyon niya pagdating sa'yo, Aries. Okay. Isipin mo syempre si person. Okay. Emotion niya for you. Cloudy judgment. Illusions, unbalanced, distorted. Magulo ang pag-iisip niya by next week pagdating sa'yo. Conflict. Diba? Magulo. Oo. Okay. Tingnan natin. Why cloudy judgment? Why? Okay. The Seven of Wands in reverse. The Temperance. Narinig ko sa kanya, should I stay or should I go? Iwasan ko na? Alisan ko na ba? O maghintay pa ako? Parang ganyan. Yeah, the High Priestess. The High Priestess, this is silence. Mga katanungan. Okay, so nandyan si Cloudy Judgment. Okay, illusions. Yan. Kung ano nung mga naisip. Like that. The Moon. Ay, napaka-confused ng taong to by next week. Pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Yeah, iniisip ka. Marami siyang gustong sabihin. Marami siyang gustong, diba? Okay? So, well, ganun lang naman. Check lang naman natin kung anong meron. Kung anong emosyon niya pagdating sa'yo by next week. Hindi naman kailangang mahaba. The Hanged Man, yeah. Pag-iisip. Okay, iniisip ka ng iniisip. Wala naman siyang gagawin. Some of you, lalayuan ka pa. Okay, so pwedeng meron ditong separation. Okay? Marami siyang gustong mga malaman, itanong sa'yo. Okay? Kung yung iba rito kung kayo is magkarelasyon kayo ngayon, may chance na magkaroon ng arguments. Okay? Conflict by next week. So, nandyan yung mga katanungan. May mga mamumuong katanungan by next week. Okay? Parang cloudy judgment. May mga namumuong sama ng loob. Okay? Next. Taurus. Anong emosyon niya pagdating sa'yo by next week, Taurus? Anong meron pagdating sa emosyon niya sa'yo? Peace. Okay, balance, harmony, and friendship. Okay, so they want peace. They want balance, harmony, and friendship. Oh. Okay, fantasy. Some of them, they're like thinking na okay na kayo. Parang ganyan. Okay? Daydreaming, imagining, yan. Okay? So, ano tong peace? Okay, Taurus. Okay. Yeah, the Temperance. Balance. Balance. Pwedeng Sagittarius. The King of Wands in reverse. Okay. And the Three of Chalices in reverse. Nakakaramdam ako dito ng jealousy. By next week. Pagdating sa'yo. Okay? The King of Wands in reverse, this is someone who is manipulating, okay, their emotions pagdating sa'yo. The Three of Chalices, ito yung parang open na open. Yeah, this is friendship. Okay? Pwedeng nandyan sila by next week mag-o-offer ng parang peace. Okay? peace. Parang ganyan. Kasi some of them, ayaw nila nung, lalo na kung hindi kayo nagko-communicate nito, ayaw nila nun. Okay, so kailangan nila ng peace of mind, like ano bang meron kay ano, gusto ko ano masagot mga ganyan. So may mga chance na magtatanong to by next week, ganyan. May mga gustong malaman. Okay? Well, so I think meron itong sabihin nating selfishness. No, oo, kasi pwedeng kailangan ko kasing gawin to kasi para magkaroon ng peace of mind yung sarili ko. Okay? Yeah. So, yun ang nakikita ko for you, Taurus. Okay. Next. Gemini. Okay. Gemini placements. Anong emosyon niya pagdating sa'yo? By next week. Gemini. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late night in the middle of June. Bakit ganun yung naririnig ko? Heat waves, na. Okay. Gemini. Only you. Ay, kaya pala. Devoted. Attached. Crave. Twin flames. Oh, no. Sometimes all I think about is you. Okay. Only you. Ano tong meron dito? Gemini. So, ginugusto ka ng taong to by next week. Last week ba? Anong meron? Pagdating sa'yo. Okay. Yeah, the Six of Pentacles. Ooh, some of them, they want forgiveness. They want to apologize. Some of them, they want a new beginning. Ganyan. Okay? Yeah. Ooh! This is an energy of comeback. Comeback. Judgment. But, yes, this is a repeat. Repeat. Okay. The Nine of Pentacles. Naku po. May magbabalik. Okay? Na non-committal. Gemini. May magbabalik na non-committal. Okay? They think of you every time, ganyan. Pero, asahan nyo, wala ditong mangyayari. This is a repeat. Okay? A repeat. Some of them, may chance na iniisip ka lang. One thing. Okay? One thing lang. Craving. Yan, ganyan. Na magkaroon uli ng comeback, pero hindi nila para gawin. Or sabihin natin, isakripisyo yung pagiging single nila. Or sabihin, pagiging non-committal nila. Oops. Okay? So, yeah. Yun ang aking nakikita. Next. Anong meron? Next is Cancer. Cancer, ano ang emosyon nila by next week pagdating sa'yo? Okay. Ano ang emosyon nila? Emotions. Okay. Running. Ghosting, disappearing, invisible. Ay. Sa ilalim, obscurity, secrets, mysteries, concealing. So, may pagtatago sa taong ito by next week. Oo. Okay, why? Delilah. Okay, tingnan natin. Cancer. Why running? Emotion nila pagdating sa'yo. Running. Oo, ghosting, invisible, may pagtatago. Tingnan natin. Why running? Okay, the Nine of Chalices. The Tower. Oh. Okay, sa may separation ha. Okay. And the Six of Pentacles, they don't want a repeat. Ayaw na nila ng repeat, Cancer. I'm sorry. O, syempre, gustong marinig eh. Gusto nila ng repeat. No, hindi ko sasabihin yun para masiyahan ka. Ha? Oo. Kala nga naman. Ano? Okay, wala. May unfinished business still. Pero gusto nila ng pagbabago na. The Wheel of Fortune. Okay, running away from you by next week. Being happy, the Nine of Chalices. Inuuna yung sarili. Ginugusto nila yung sarili nila ngayon or next week. The Tower is still there. Burning. Okay? Burning. Burning down. Ganyan. Six of Pentacles in reverse. Wala rin namang mangyayari. Ganun ang nasa mindset nila. Okay? Like, wala namang mangyayari dito. Lagi naman kaming no equal give and take. So, wag na lang. Magsasayang lang ako ng oras at panahon dito. Parang ganon. Okay? The world in reverse. The unfinished business. Yeah. They still feel the connection. Okay? Kaya, syempre, tinatakbuhan. Alam nga naman. Okay? So, yeah, next. Leo. Okay. Hang on. Wait lang po. Okay. So, Leo. Emotions nila pagdating sa'yo. Oo. By next week. Anong meron? Leo placements. Okay. Leo. Broken. Shattered, heartbroken, destroyed. That is sad. Sad. Why broken? Iba rito pwedeng recently lang. Kaya ganito pa. Well, okay. Why broken? The Nine of Swords in reverse. Oops. The Emperor. Okay. Okay. The Six of Chalices. Leo, alam mo, itong taong to, kunyari walang stress. Okay? Kunyari, magagandang nangyari sa kanya. Okay? The Empress. Okay? Pwedeng, focus ko yung goal ko, masaya ako, whatsoever. Pero deep, deep, deep down, they are broken. They missed you. Okay? They missed you. Ipapakita lang niya talaga na wala lang ang sitwasyon ngayon. Okay? Hindi sila na-stress. The Nine of Swords, hindi nila iniisip to. Hindi ka nila iniisip. Pero, iniisip ka. Okay? So, there. They want, sabihin kong, tawag dyan, improvement, progress sa situation. Yun ang gusto nila. That's why they're broken. Okay? So, there. Next is Virgo. Okay, Virgo placements. Anong emosyon niya towards you by next week? Okay, Virgos. Okay. Okay, elusive. Dishonesty, deception, trickery. Return. Okay, kasi naman yung iniisip mo, gusto nila ng pagbabalik, pagbalikan, second chances, mga opportunity, diba? Making amends, yan, ganyan. Okay, pero yeah, I think some of them meron ditong pagloloko or sabihin natin hindi totoo. Okay? Kung meron man next week na makipagbalikan sa inyo, Virgo, hindi ko nakikitang totoo yung intention. Okay? Why elusive? Okay. Two of Chalices. Yeah, there's an offer. There's an offer. The Six of Chalices. Yeah, this is your past. Okay. Oh, the Seven of Chalices. Meron silang iba. Yun nga lang. Kaya ganun. Page of Wands. Meron ditong may magpaparamdam, Virgo, next week. Okay? Pero yes, be careful. Ha? Be careful. Pwedeng itong taong ito is just confused. Or sabihin nating merong iba rin. Okay? Huwag nyo hahayaan na totally talagang mawindang-windang kayo pag bumalik to. Okay? Confused lang sila. That's why nandyan na naman. Or babalik. Okay? Wanting to reconnect. Pero hindi totally clear kung anong intention nila. Okay? They want to reconnect. Yun lang naman ang nakikita ko rito. Pero the intention is not clear. Okay? So there. Next. Next is Libra placements. Okay, Libra, ano bang emosyon ni person na iniisip mo? Okay, by next week, pagdating sa'yo. Libra. Okay, Libra. Commitments. Marriage, promises, fidelity. Okay, open heart. Oh. Okay, they want to commit, they want you, they like you next week. Okay? Oo, yun lang naman, chine-check lang naman natin. Okay? Kung you're in in a relationship with this person, then committed sila. Okay? Kung hindi man, they still want you, they still like you, they want to commit. Again, I guess. Okay? So, ano bang meron dito, Libra? Yeah, the Knight of Wands, they still want you. They are still, yeah, they still. Okay? The Five of Chalices, may pakikipag-ayos dito. Okay? May gusto makapag-ayos by next week. The Two of Pentacles, nandun nga lang yung pagiging indecisive ng taong ito. The King of Chalices in reverse. Okay? I think if ever na itong taong to is lalapit, hindi siya totally open. Okay? Pagdating sa emosyon. Hindi siya open. Kasi pwedeng masaktan eh. Takot ma-reject. I don't know. This is for someone who has separation. Okay? So, yeah. Ganun lang siya. Like, playing safe, I guess. Yeah. Pero nandyan sila, like, makikipag-ayos. Mga ganyan. Flirt. Okay? The Two of Pentacles daw. Unsure. Okay? So, yun. Ang akin nakikita for you, Libra. Next. Ang hirap naman. Ang hirap. Okay. Next is Scorpio. Scorpio, ano ang kanyang emosyon sa'yo by next week? Scorpio placements. Okay. There you go. Hoping. Expecting. Faith. Manifesting. So, in general, they're hoping. Okay? Hoping. Ito na naman si Ecstasy. I don't know kung sa'yo ko ba nabasa yan. Sa'yo ko ba nakita yung card na yan. Ecstasy, Extano. Ang kati ng ilong ko. Okay. Hoping. So, si person mo daw ay hoping by next week. Anong hope nito? Okay. Anong meron? The Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Iba sa kanila talaga totally walang gagawin. Okay? No actions at all. Like, pwedeng back and forth. Like, urong-sulong. Urong-sulong ka. Bakit ka ganyan? Kumanta na naman. Yeah, the Seven of Swords. May pagtatago. Yeah, may pagtatago siya. The World in reverse. Oh! Okay, alam mo Scorpio, itong taong ito, pwedeng still, andyan nga yung, iba sa kanila, nandun yung obsession. Hintay sa'yo. Okay? Unfinished business nandito, napaka-present, oo. The Seven of Swords, this is someone who is like being sneaky, okay? Like nagtatago sila, ganyan, like may energy dito ng stalking, mga ganyan. Pero yeah, wala silang gagawin. No actions at all, no communications coming from them by next week. Okay. Yeah, but yes, they're hoping. Okay. So there. Yeah, ecstasy. 'Di ba? Para kang ano, oh, alam mo na, ginugusto. Okay, tingnan natin. Next. Sagittarius. Okay. Sag. Anong emosyon ni person mo sa'yo by next week? Okay, anong meron? Sag, anong meron? Okay, Sagittarius. Intimacy, bonding, sensual, confiding. Intimacy. Ooh. Longing sa ilalim. Okay, so dito ka muna. Oops. Okay. Why intimacy? For Sagittarius. Why intimacy? Okay. Okay, the Hierophant. The Three of Pentacles in reverse. This is flirting. This is flirting, Sagittarius. Nakakaramdam itong taong to na ma-flirt ka. Okay? Yeah, pwedeng Cancer, pwedeng Earth sign. Yeah, Death. I don't know why Death. Okay. Tingnan natin to. Ano tong Death? Parang may nagbago. Oo, parang may magbabago. Like, pwedeng hindi rin naman siya ganito nung mga nakaraan. Pwedeng by next week, ganito yung papakita niya sa'yo. Okay? Something like open, may bonding, mga ganyan. Okay? Yeah, the Four of Pentacles, pwedeng nakatago nung mga nakaraang araw. So, sa ngayon, parang nakikita ko open. By next week, meron ditong landi ang mangyayari, mga Sagittarius. Ha? Okay, pwedeng hindi kayo, dito, like, magiging komportable, I guess. Or sabihin nating, napaka-unusual naman ito. Pagdating sa inyo. Okay? So, there. Some of you, meron ditong, open relationship na mangyayari. Okay, next. Capricorn. Capricorn placements. Ano ang emosyon sa'yo ni person mo by next week? Okay. Excuse me. Capricorns, anong emosyon niya pagdating sa'yo, Capricorn? Boundaries. Okay, no drawing the line, enough. Okay. So, pwede yung black, no? Black messages, tawag dyan, no commitments, mga ganyan. Wala kang makikita from them. Okay? Why boundaries? May limit. Why boundaries for Capricorns? Ooh. Okay. So, some of you, this is a strong connection. That's why. Okay? That's why they're like fighting, no? Na hindi kumunik, I guess. Yeah. Okay? Fighting the connection. Oo, ganyan. Ang hirap nito, Capricorn. The Three of Pentacles. Kasi parang some of you may third party. Okay? Some of you. The Three of Pentacles, pwedeng, ito yung, hindi naman kasi mag-workout to. Kahit gustuin ko na kumonek, ganyan, kahit, yeah, I can feel pa rin the connection, yung mangyayari. Parang ganyan Okay? Ano mangyayari? Yeah, nafi-feel ko nga, pero magwo-workout ba? Kung hindi magwo-workout, alam ko namang like hindi magwo-workout, parang ganyan. So, wag na. Parang ganun. Okay? Lalo na nga ha, kung may third party. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. Ang hirap ng sitwasyon ng taong to. Sa totoo lang, ang hirap. Gusto niya ng connection with you. Pero pinipilit nila yung sarili nila na huwag. Nililimitahan nila yung sarili nila from you. Okay, oops, hanggang dito lang ako kay Capricorn. Okay? Yes, may bakod dito. May bakod. Okay? Oo, may bakor. Oo, so, I can't. Next. Oo, ganun lang. Simplihan lang natin, no? Okay. Aqua. Okay, Aquarius placements. Okay, Aquarius. Anong emosyon nila pagdating sa'yo by next week? Aqua. Okay, Aquarius. Time. Waiting, cycles, moments. Okay. So, time. Why time? Aquarius. Time is gold. Time is gold daw, sabi niya. Aqua. Why time? So, may paghihintay sa iba sa kanila by next week. Okay. Anong meron sa time? The Tower in reverse. The Empress in reverse. Ooh. Itong taong to, hinihintay ka lang. Wala siyang gagawin. Wala akong nakikitang plano from them. Okay? They're like, okay, hahayaan ko lang to. Parang ganyan. Hahayaan ko lang to. I don't care. Pero, yeah. Andun yung energy ng waiting. Yung iba sa kanila kasi talagang like, talagang walang effort. Okay? Walang effort. Hindi nila alam yung salitang effort. Ha? Hindi sila marunong mag-step up sa situation. Yeah, the Ten of Chalices. Okay? Yung iba sa kanila, yeah, the Three of Swords universe. Yung iba sa kanila, pwedeng alam nila na pwedeng ikaw yung gagaod. Ikaw yung gagawa ng yes! Okay? Ito pa ang isa ko pang nakikita rito. Mayroong nakikipaglaro sa'yo, Aqua. Meron. Ha? Paano po? Ano pa yung paglalaro? Itong taong ito, pag-iintayin ka ng pag-iintayin, masaya siya doon. Okay? Pag-iintayin ka ng pag-iintayin, pag-i-expecting ka ng pag-i-expecting ng taong ito. Pero wala silang gagawin anything. Specific yun. Okay? Specific yun. Hindi yun para sa lahat. Ewan ko, bakit ganito? Itong taong to. Yeah, the Eight of Chalices. May distansya kayo. Physically, emotionally. Okay? Spiritually. Okay? So, yeah. Wala tayong makuhang maganda dyan. Okay, well. Next. Pisces. Okay, Pisces placements. May naghihintay ng reply. Pisces. Okay. Bakit? Pisces. Biglang pumasok lang na message. Okay, Pisces. Yung kati ng ilong ko. Okay. Anong meron? Emosyon ng person mo by next week pagdating sa'yo. Possibilities. Okay. Free-spirited, adventure, and risks. Okay. Chasing pavements. Okay. Okay, ano tong possibilities? para sa'yo, Pisces. Okay. The High Priestess in reverse. Someone is open. Okay. Yeah. May magbababa ng guard nila by next week. Para sa'yo, Pisces. Pwede maging vice versa. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah, the Emperor. Stepping up. Two of Wands in reverse. The Hermit. Kung meron ditong situation na hindi kayo nag-uusap, mababasag yun by next week. Yes. Mababasag yun. Meron na ditong magte-take risk. Okay? Meron ditong risk. The Nine of Wands in reverse. May magbababa na ng guard kung walang communication. Okay? Some of you. Itong taong ito ibang story ang nakikita ko rito. Iba na to doon sa isa. Itong taong ito, pwedeng marami na siyang sabihin nating natutunan, no, sa sitwasyon nyo. So, nandyan na yung papasok na yung parang pagod na ako dito. Nakuha ko na lahat ng kailangan kong malaman, kailangan kong matutunan, and then, yeah. Kailangan ko na tong iusad. Kailangan ko nang umusad. Kailangan ko na magdesisyon. Parang ganyan eh. Okay? I don't know. Pwedeng makipag-usap sa'yo ito, like, diretsuhan, rektahan. No sugar coating. Okay? Yes. By next week. Okay? Nakakita ko rito ng, ang tawag dyan, decision. Okay? Meron ditong lalarge eh. Merong lalayo. Kasi parang narinig ko, enough is enough. This is, tama na to. Mga ganyan. Okay? So, siguro, yun yung, sabihin nating mga may kakonect. Pero kung wala kayong connection or sabihin natin may separation dito, meron ditong mag-step up. Okay? Whether kausapin ka or mag-step up na parang mag-desisyon na para sa sarili. Okay? So, yun ang nakikita ko for all signs. So, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and follow our FB page. Okay? Thank you. Bye!